Hey, we're out here today on a smaller frozen lake. I was looking at purchasing for my son and I to go ice fishing something a little bit better of an ice auger, and didn't want to spend $1,000. So I seen this Woods E-Drill ice auger, but there's been no reviews on it. So we picked her up today here. I like the fact it's even got a grease zerk right by the drill there. I have today on here a very small DeWalt cordless drill here. The battery's actually pretty dead on it. But yeah, I like the fact it actually this comes in a nice case as well. So you can easily keep it stored in a safe place. It's got a really nice cover. I did use this once already, just tested it out before. It has very sharp blades on here actually. I just cut through my glove even. Nice tip, very well done on the end here. So yeah, here, let's give this a try. I'm not going to give any downward pressure on this, and we'll just see how fast she goes here. That's over 12 inches. That's how fast it goes. This battery, like I said, it's almost dead. I'll give it another try just to show you guys again here, but I'm very impressed with this. That's very impressive. Just like that. I highly would recommend this to anyone looking to purchase it, just for the price of wanting a electric ice auger. This is the best way to go. You can best money spent.